Back in September, we saw Nokia announce the first wave of Windows Phone 8 smartphones, the Lumia 920 and the Lumia 820. The company called the Lumia 920 the most innovative smartphone in the world. Ever since the announcement, people have been waiting for this mystical beast. There have been rumors, approximate dates, but this is the real deal. As today, Nokia has launched the Lumia 920 along with its more affordable sibling, the Lumia 820 in India for 38,199 rupees and 27,559 rupees respectively. It appears that it will start shipping from January 11th onwards in New Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. And gradually, Nokia will roll out the devices to the other cities in the country. But for those who are wondering what's all the hype about, then a bit of enlightenment is in order. The Lumia 920 is perhaps the biggest smartphone to be launched in India after Apple's unibody monolith, the iPhone 5. It is also a device that will determine Nokia's destiny in the coming months. And from a hardware and software standpoint, it is the synthesis of Nokia's imaging innovation and Microsoft's latest mobile operating system, Windows Phone 8. It packs in a dual-core Qualcomm Snapdragon Plus CPU clocked at 1.5 GHz, 1 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, and a jargon-loaded 4.5-inch 1280 by 768 pixel display that Nokia likes to call the Pure Motion HD+. But the real secret sauce is in the 8.7 megapixel camera, which leverages Nokia's PureView technology. With Carl Zeiss optics, Nokia touts optical image stabilization thanks to a floating lens technology that the Lumia 920 ushers in. This technology facilitates impressive low-light photography, as users are able to attain a longer exposure without motion blur kicking in. Additionally, this technology also pays great dividends in terms of videography, as the problem of the human hand shake is minimized to a certain degree. Even the display on the Lumia 920 is full of tricks. Nokia claims that it allows for a blur-free scrolling and it's 2.5 times faster than any other smartphone display. Plus, users can even control the phone while wearing gloves. It has 2000 mAh battery, which also supports wireless charging. Other connectivity features on the Lumia 920 include NFC, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and HSPA+, all in a unibody injection molded polycarbonate package. Its younger and much affordable sibling, the Lumia 820, also gets its horsepower from the same Qualcomm Snapdragon S4 Plus processor. It also has a 1 GB of RAM, but the big trade-offs become apparent in the display and the camera. The Lumia 820 has a smaller 4.3-inch display that has a WVGA resolution, and its 8 megapixel camera does not have the PureView chops of the Lumia 920. Even from a design standpoint, it is widely different from its more illustrious cousin. Nokia is allowing for removable back panels that can be purchased separately in different colors and finishes. There will also be a panel that will enable wireless charging just like the Lumia 920. Talking about the battery, it has a much smaller 1650 mAh battery and it has 8 GB of internal storage, which can also be expanded via a micro SD card. In typical Nokia fashion, both the devices have an edge over Windows Phone 8 smartphones manufactured by other OEMs because of the preloaded Nokia exclusive software that comes on board. Apps like Nokia Drive, Nokia Maps, Nokia Music, Cinematograph, City Lens and Mix Radio are at the center of both these devices, and they certainly have a superior offering if one pits them against competing Windows Phone 8 devices like the HTC 8X. The Nokia faithful have been ravenously waiting for both these smartphones, but one does wonder if this will be enough considering its late entry into the market and the new upcoming Android-based hardware we have seen at CES. One will just need to wait and watch.